Hello everyone, hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'm here to answer a question that many of you have asked. Why haven't you received the latest BLUM update? So, for those of you who may not know, BLUM recently released a new update for some users. This update allows you to earn dogs coins through their game. In this game, you collect green items, which then turn into coins that you can tap on to add to your wallet. While this update reached many users, a large portion didn't receive it. Even though most people have connected their wallets and the dogs coins are showing up, the update still hasn't arrived for everyone. Wondering how to check if you got the update? It's simple. Just open the BLUM, click play, and if you see dogs coins or little dog icons alongside the BLUM logo, you're in. You can start collecting those coins and cash them out easily. But unfortunately, most users didn't get this update. So today, I'll explain the reason why, and we'll discuss whether the update might roll out to everyone in the future. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our daily uploads. Also, join our Telegram channel, where we post daily bots, earning methods, and other useful tips. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, let's jump right in. As you can see, this is BLUM's official site. If you go here, you'll notice they've released the update to specific users who can view their coins and rewards. There's also a section called Eligibility, explaining how they select active users based on several factors: daily activity within BLUM, gameplay, daily logins, on-chain activities, and participation in limited tasks, as well as inviting friends, a minimum of 5 invites. However, inviting more friends offer additional rewards. They've also noted that to avoid misuse, they won't release specific metrics. But rest assured, genuine activity is their top priority. Future requirements might change depending on the cryptocurrency and the specific version of BLUM being used. What does all of this mean? Well, essentially, BLUM chose a group of users for this update based on criteria like daily activity, friend invites, logins, and tasks. However, I personally think the selection process seems random. There are people who are very active users on BLUM, completing tasks and inviting friends regularly, yet they didn't receive the update. In my view, the criteria don't add up, and it feels like they distributed it randomly. Will there be an option for everyone to get the update later? The answer is unclear. BLUM mentioned that future requirements could change based on the cryptocurrency and version, and they might expand the update to more users, or they might decide that it's enough for now. From my perspective, this update isn't ideal because first, it didn't reach everyone, and second, it shifts attention away from the main BLUM currency we're all waiting for in the upcoming airdrop. So, that's my take on the BLUM update and its limitations. That's it for today's update. If there are any further updates or changes to this airdrop, I'll make sure to create another video to keep you all informed. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to join the Telegram group to get the daily code and stay updated. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.